Born and raised in Los Angeles, Ernie Ramirez embodies the spirit of a self made racer. His journey to ascend Music and Motorsports Festival with his 2013 Mitsubishi Evo X is a testament to his passion and perseverance in the world of time attack. Ernie's Evo X is not only a car, but a labor of love, meticulously built bumper to bumper, including his engine, which was assembled on his kitchen table. This hands on approach reflects Ernie's commitment to his craft and his relentless pursuit of performance. Known for his bold driving style, Ernie attributes his success not only to specific modifications, but to the mantra of just send it, a philosophy that pushes him to the edge and beyond. Despite limiting by his formal racing experience, Ernie has already achieved some remarkable results, podiuming at 3 out of the 4 time attack events he's participated in. His fastest lap to date at PPIR is a 102, and he has a goal of breaking the 1 minute mark. Ernie's journey has been not without challenges. He's faced adversity at Coda, where his car caught on fire, leading to a disappointing DNF. Despite his setbacks and ones like transmission issues limiting him to short bursts of performance, Ernie has remained undeterred, embracing the role of his own rival, himself. So, but he's also been continually pushing the boundaries with his driving skills and his capabilities with his Evo X. His experience at Pikes Peak International Raceway includes a past participation in events like Grid Life, where he's been able to hone his skills with the demanding track in the Roval section, mastering the intense G-forces that challenges both the driver and the machine. He's going to be running some Zestino 255 3518 tires, and his car delivers some consistent performance, boasting not as much horsepower as his competitors, Jonathan Wheeler, so he says. Testament to his driving skill, his tuning, and his driving prowess, he's able to take that car to the limit. Ernie's passion for time attack traces back to his roots in toge racing, where he drew inspiration from mentors like Will One Curry and Amir Bentatu, whose dedication and competitive spirit fueled his own aspirations. His journey into time attack was a leap of faith, leaving behind everything: family, friends, career, to be able to move closer to Colorado by a singular goal: to compete at events at the prestigious Pikes Peak Hill Climb. People may call him delusional, but Ernie sees it as a calculated risk for the potential of a monumental reward, a dream he's determined to chase. For Ernie Ramirez, time attack isn't just a hobby or a sport, it's a way of life. It's about personal growth, self discovery, and a relentless pursuit of excellence on and off the track. As he takes on the challenges and the opportunity that Ascend presents, Ernie continues to forge ahead, driven by his unwavering belief in the transformative power of chasing one's dreams.